Hey guys, it's your big sis Eonnie Dear here, and this video I was inspired by a music video by BTS. It is called Black Swan. I decided to do a makeup look just on that, and here I go. So for this video I used the E.L.F. eyeliner pomade, and I used the NYX jumbo pencil with a angled lip brush. So that's all I used for the video, and I'm going to show you how I do the eye look. Right now I'm just putting some black liner onto my angled brush, and I'm going from the bridge of my nose and the inner side to the bottom of my eyebrow. Then I'm going from the top of my eyebrow and connecting that same line. As you can see here, I'm just taking the liner and I'm now just tracing over just to make everything darker and just to make it look a little bit more straight. Then I just take the same eyeliner and go at the corner of my eye and I wing it out all the way and just line it up with the tail of my eyebrow. After that I go into the inner corner of my eye and I take the same lip brush and I put it at the inner corner of my eye underneath my tear duct. Now as you can see, I'm taking the jumbo pencil and just running it under my eye, connecting the line I made for the wing and the line I made for the inner tear duct, and just connecting that all together. Now this eye look is not hard at all, and if you make mistakes, if it looks messy, don't worry, you can always clean it up. You can use a pointed Q-tip and just clean up the lines if you want. If you don't want to, you could just leave it as is. This is not meant to be picture perfect, just good enough. It's just something that I wanted to just have fun with and represent all the armies, the BTS armies out there with this look. So right now I'm just going to be taking the jumbo eyeliner and just putting it all over my lid. Now taking that line, the angled brush, I just take and make a straight line from the inner corner and all the way straight up to my eyebrow, and filling in. Now I just take my Essentials palette where I have a black eyeshadow, and I just run that and put it all over my eye pencil and pomade. Now this is to ensure that the texture doesn't crease, because it gets greasy there. This black eyeshadow will actually set in everything and make it look more matte. Now I'm taking a smudge brush and I'm just filling in everything and winging it all out. As you can see here, I'm just smudging at the bottom of my line, so it isn't a perfect line. It doesn't have to be. Now this I got off of Amazon. I just bought it. I'll link it down below. And I'm using some adhesive, some lash glue, and I'm gonna put it right over my brow. Now to make this look more cohesive, instead of having the shiny and the matte black, I'm just gonna take the eyeshadow and fill in all the gaps that the sticker has, which will make it look a little bit more matte and less shiny, and it will bring in everything all together. As you can see, I'm not doing this carefully. I'm just dipping my brush straight into my Essentials palette, into a black eyeshadow, and going over everything, filling in those clear gaps in the sticker. Now I use the bottom one and I just do the same thing. I lined it up with the edge, right at the edge of my eye, and had it go upwards. As you can see, this look is pretty easy, and all you need to do now is put your blush on. I will be linking all the things that I use down below in the description box, but I just use any pink blush. You can use any pink blush or whatever color you like, a maroon, a purple, a reddish, coral, whatever looks good with your skin tone, and just put it right over your cheeks. Now I went a little bit in and I went more down with my blush than I would have it up, but I think that just makes it look even cuter. Now with this Cover FX, I use the contour shade, and I go under my jawline, right underneath my cheekbone, and I just contour my cheeks and my jaw. And also I take the brightener in the Cover FX palette, and I just put it right underneath the jewels, right where a highlight would be, and you can even let the powder touch the jewels itself. It doesn't matter, it's okay. If it's shiny, it's alright. Now as you can see, I'm just going down the bridge of my nose and just intensifying that highlighter on my cheek and right on my cupid's bow. So now that's the look. All you need to do is just line your lips if you want. I lined the outside very lightly and smudged it in, and I'm going to use my favorite lip gloss, which is the Fenty, and I'm just going to finish up the look. Remember guys, always dare to be, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again later. Bye bye.